In this video, we'll guide you through setting up an Android device for use with Seismic Source's mobile applications. These apps cater to diverse seismic operations, including impulsive and vibrosize acquisition, as well as PPV monitoring. We will use a USB storage capable of interfacing with both the Android device and Windows PC. If unavailable, the user may enable USB file transfer on the device and use a data transfer-capable USB cable directly connected to the PC. A Wi-Fi or cellular connection to the Internet will be required for licensing after installation. First, get the latest APK file from the Seismic Source installer program. In this video, we will install the NAVLINK application, typically used with our impulsive source products. Transfer the APK file to the Android device. Locate the APK file on the Android device and open it. You may need to enable the installation of third-party applications if prompt. Launch the installed application. The user will receive a license error and will need to license the device before proceeding. Click the Login button on the top of the screen. Enter the email address and password associated with the issued license. Then select Request. To start, ensure you have a NAVLINK package exported from the SourceLink application ready for import. For those unfamiliar with creating a NAVLINK package from SourceLink, refer to the Seismic Source documentation and how-to videos for guidance. Open the installed application. Users may either open an already created project, create a new project manually, or for some applications, create a project from NAVLINK package. Note that in some instances, especially when using older versions of SourceLink, creating a project from the NAVLINK package may not be supported. For this example, we will manually create a new project. Name the project, then select OK. Now open the new project. Navigate to the Manage tab. We will import our NAVLINK package here. Navigate to where the NAVLINK package is stored, in our case on the USB storage device. Then select Use this folder. Then Allow. The application will then need to be closed. Relaunch the application and open the created project. It will now have the information loaded from the NAVLINK package. Users loading updated NAVLINK packages for the same project may verify the most recently loaded package on the Manage tab here. Thank you for watching. For more information on Seismic Source products and applications, please visit the Seismic Source website.